Shalom, my name is Hadass and I am a teacher of Level 4 at the Rosen School of Hebrew. The Rosen School of Hebrew functions as the online language campus of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. This means that the Hebrew University fully accredits most of our Hebrew courses, so students can take the courses for university credit. During the lesson, you will sit in the comfort of your own home and log into your virtual classroom. Your mouse will become your pen, your screen will become your notebook. You will see your teacher live, all the way from Israel, and be able to fully participate in class activities. Israel has a rich history from ancient to modern times. If you happen to be at Mount Herzl or arrive at Ben Gurion Airport, behind every place there is a story. In this intermediate course, we will read about famous historical figures and events that happened right here in Israel. We will also learn 300 new words, verbs in future tense, increase knowledge of syntax, adjectives, conditionals, complex prepositions, developing complex sentences. We will expand our understanding of Israeli culture by reading literature, including poetry. These exciting topics will be used as fascinating discussion points to increase our ability to express ourselves in Hebrew. See you in class. להתראות.